Italian is difficult to read? Good news! Italian is one of the easiest languages to pronounce. Once you learn a few simple rules, you'll be able to read almost any Italian word. Buongiorno, my dear students. It's Italian actually, and today we are going to practice reading in Italian. Let's start. Rule number 1. The words are pronounced the way they are actually spelled. Italian has 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Repeat after me. Casa, bene, vino, Roma, luna. Rule number 2. Italian has 2 magic vowels, E and I. After these vowels, we are reading several consonants differently. The first letter is G, or English C. It's the most important rule. When C comes before A or U or any other consonant, it sounds like K. For instance, casa, cosa, cultura. But when it comes before our magic letters, E or I, it sounds like Ch. For instance, cena, cinema, ciao. The same story happens with letter G. When it comes before A or U or other consonant, it is pronounced like G. Gatto, gola, gusto. When it comes before our magic vowels E, I, it sounds softer, like G. Gelato, giro, giardino. Rule number 3. If you want a hard sound before E or I, you just need to add H, or Italian letter H. Che, chi, ge, gi. For example, che means what? Chi means who. What else should we know about letter H? We don't read it in Italian. It's totally silent. For instance, English word hot dog would be pronounced in Italian like hot dog without H. More examples: hotel, chitarra, ocche, racchetta. Letter Q, Italian Q, we use only before U. Quaderno, quadro, cinque, aquila, liquore. And one more specific letter for today is Z, or Italian zeta. We pronounce it like Z. For instance, zip, zaino, zorro, zio. Now let's read and practice together. Repeat after me. Ciao. Mi chiamo Chiara. Vivo a Genova. Mi chiamo Chiara e vivo a Genova. Ogni mattina bevo un caffè e mangio una fetta di torta. Ogni mattina bevo un caffè e mangio una fetta di torta. Oggi preparo una pizza con il formaggio. Il mio amico Giorgio compra il gelato e una bottiglia d'acqua. Il mio amico Giorgio compra il gelato e una bottiglia d'acqua. Che bella giornata! Auguri! Congratulations! Now you know the basic rules of Italian pronunciation. In the next video, we will practice reading in Italian sentences together and know some more letter combinations. Ci vediamo nel prossimo video. Arrivederci!